A Peoria man facing deportation for growing 5 extra marijuana plants than what's legally allowed. He says it's to help with his chronic shoulder pain.
He says he moved here when he was just 4 years old, so the U.S. is the only country that he knows. In fact, where his family escaped from, it's not even a country anymore. So if he did get deported, he's not sure where he'd go.
Fox 10's Stephanie Bennett has been looking into this story. She joins us live with more. Steph?
Good evening, John and Christina. Yeah, Dennis Mejic and his attorney have been arguing his case for the last 11 years. Now, they claim the crime is not serious enough for deportation. Well, this week they showed up to their immigration court hearing just to find out that the case was pushed back last minute by more than a year now. And he says the years of waiting is really taking a toll on his mental health.
A plan can get you deported, but apparently he can.
Dennis Mejic is a lawful permanent resident and has lived in the U.S. since he was 4 years old. Now age 53, the Peoria resident could face deportation.
I'm a citizen of Yugoslavia, and after the Kosovo War, everything's been divided. So it's like, where do you send me to? Serbia? It's Croatia. They say I'm a Serbian citizen, but I don't have any documentation.
If Mejic had 12 plants on October 10th, 2012, he would not be facing any legal repercussions. But he was growing 17. Now those 5 extra plants stand in the way of his freedom.
They can pretty much deport you for almost anything. It's not any kind of serious crime. It's just, they can just until you're out of here.
At the time, Mejic had a medical marijuana card. According to paperwork obtained by Fox 10, Peoria police initiated a search warrant on his home after Mejic says a neighbor complained about the smell. Mejic was taken to court and negotiated a deal to plead guilty to 1 count of attempt to commit production of marijuana, a Class 6 felony. After a year of probation, the charge was downgraded to a misdemeanor. He thought the nightmare was over until ICE showed up at his front door.
So, in the end, that criminal case kind of ended with probation. Don't do that again. But nothing with regard to deportation until ICE got involved. And they charged him immediately with an aggravated felony, which is basically automatic detention and automatic deportation.
Mejic was detained for 9 months and was eventually granted bond, but he's still fighting his case with federal officials.
The facts are, he grew 17 marijuana plants. That's it. And he never sold anything, never transported anything, never distributed anything. So it's a bizarre charge. It's not a drug trafficking crime.
For now, Mejic works as a subcontractor and spends his free time golfing, playing with his dog, hanging out with his son, and caring for his aging mother. But says he's always looking over his shoulder.
So I try golfing, and I'm not that good, but I have a good time, doing it, and it's relaxed, and go out there, and you really can't get in trouble golfing. I drive the speed limit, I have my blinkers, I follow the law, I don't do anything wrong, I got a bullseye on my back.
For now, Mejic hopes ICE and the judge will rethink the charges, and they hope that they will also drop the case altogether, and especially if marijuana becomes legal federally, then that can also help his case as well.